Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, rear wiper, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, heated passenger seat. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.